Hello everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome to another video. 2021 has been a hot year for IPOs and this week it's UiPath. In this video, I'll talk about UiPath, what they do as a company and finally get to the intrinsic value of the company. So if you're interested, make sure to stick around as we're starting right now. UiPath provides robotic process automation software to enterprises. The software UiPath provides helps automate repetitive tasks, thereby increasing productivity for its customers. The company is expected to go public on 21st of April and is set to begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker PATH. Investors seem to be bullish on this IPO and demand is soaring. So what is driving up the demand? We will get to it in a minute, but before that, if you like the video and find it valuable, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Your humble gesture keeps me awake at night and motivates me to put in the long hours for making these videos. Alright, let's move on. UiPath was founded in 2005 by Romanian entrepreneurs Daniel Dines and Marius Turca. The company's software monitors user activity to automate repetitive front and back office tasks, including those performed using other business software such as CRM or ERPs. The company since inception has seen tremendous growth and Financial Times has ranked UiPath as number 2 in its 2020 list of America's fastest growing businesses. According to a market research study, the global market value for robotic process automation is expected to reach $13.75 billion by 2023, and I feel UiPath is well positioned to capture the prospects of this booming market. As of Jan 2021, UiPath had 7,960 customers, including 80% of the Fortune 10 and 63% of the Fortune Global 500 companies. UiPath's customers span a variety of industries and includes Adobe, Applied Materials, Chevron, and Chipotle Mexican Grill, to name a few. A crucial component of UiPath's go-to-market strategy is their partners. Their business partners include more than 3,700 global and regional system integrators, value-added resellers, and business consultants. These partnerships enhance the company's market presence and drive greater sales efficiencies. UiPath has been witnessing rapid growth across all their revenue segments. Gross profits and margins have been on the rise with decreasing operating losses. Annualized renewal run rate grew at 65% and it was around $580 million for the fiscal year ended Jan 2021. The company generated a revenue of $607 million, representing a growth rate of 81% and a net loss of $92 million for the same period. Operating cash flows were at $29 million and free cash flows were at $26 million as well. Being cash flow positive is something that I like about the company, and as of Jan 2021, UiPath had $358 million in cash and $448 million in total liabilities, which I think is quite manageable. According to the recent S1 filing, UiPath intends to sell 23.9 million shares at a proposed midpoint IPO price of $46.50, putting the enterprise value of the company to be around $22.5 billion. However, the stock may open to trading at a significantly higher price, and I'll wait for the dust to settle before initiating a position. Now, let's run the numbers through a price to revenue valuation model. Compared to the fiscal year that ended in Jan 2020, revenue saw a growth of 80%. Based on this number, I'm assuming the revenue growth for the next 4 years to be capped at 60%, and we forecast revenue into 2025. Based on the forecasted revenue and outstanding shares, we can predict market cap as a multiple of revenue. I like to use 10x revenue multiple for bullish scenarios, 5x revenue multiple for a bearish scenario, and 7.5 times revenue multiple for a medium bullish scenario. Based on these assumptions, we can predict target prices for each year. Finally, discounting the 2025 target price to today's price would give us the intrinsic value for UiPath. For the bullish case, it is around $38.27. For a bearish case, it is around $19.13. And for a median bullish case, it's around $28.70. My model is a conservative model and is best used in conjunction with other valuation models and analyst estimates. This in no way should be considered as an investment advice, so please do your due diligence before investing. The market currently has beaten down many tech growth stocks over the concern of increasing bond rates. But if you're in for the long term, I think UiPath is worth considering. Now, I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think about UiPath and its valuation? Leave a comment below with your answer and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Also, if you like this video and found it valuable, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate your support. So until you hear from me again, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.